Students, have you seen different flowers? Are they of same colors? Look at the sky. Can you see its color? Look at your dress. Can you see colors on it? Look around. The walls are painted in different colors. Actually, we have colors all around us, and these colors have different names. Let's learn about color names. Let's talk about red color. Look at this apple. It is of red color. Tomato and rose, they are also of red color. Now talk about yellow color. Mango, chick and sunflower, they all are of yellow color. Let's talk about blue color. Sky, jeans and balloons, they all are of blue color. Let's talk about green color. Frog, peas and leaf, they are of green color. Now repeat the color names with me. Red, blue, yellow, green, orange, purple. Let's repeat again. Red, blue, yellow, green, orange and purple. Log on to our website www.pen.org.pk. Thank you.